Haya, nimeanza. Haina shida. Sema utaniambia hii hapa jina, alafu hapa ni fulani, Mark and More. Hizi ndio tools zenye natumia hivyo tu. Endelea tu, nishaanza kurekodi.
My name is Diana and this is Mark and More Solutions.
Diana who?
Diana Maina. Mark and More Solutions, where we deal with Apple products, both sales, service, maintenance, and repairs. In our workshop here, we have the tools which we use for our repairs. And the first thing that you do when you come to a workshop is to discharge your body from any static charges, which I'm just going to do right now, using the hand lotion. Once you apply this on your hands, you discharge any static charges.
Okay. What is static charge? What does that mean?
What that means is, there are those charges in your body which are not friendly with the machines. Like you see, when you're repairing, you don't want to damage parts which are inside the machine. That is why you have to discharge any static charges. So we use that lotion for that. Then we will use this to clean our bench where we're working from. Still for the same purpose.
Is it necessary? We are not used to that in town.
It is necessary. You see, in most cases, you can take a gadget somewhere. Then after the repair is done, you find that something which was functioning is now not functioning. Maybe because you touched it or it was exposed to these static charges. So it is very, very necessary. So we use that to clean our parts for when we are working. Then we have cleaning wipes. If you want, you can use this to clean your hands. For when you after now you touch those gadgets. Then we have our gloves here. We have a brush that you can dust inside the machine. And then we have the screwdrivers.
Na kisu ni ya nini? Kisu.
It's for opening. There are parts. You see, like when you are opening a phone or an iPad, you can loosen the.
So it's not a knife per se.
No, it is not.
Okay. So from there, those are your working tools.
Yeah, these are our working tools. Now we head to the bench.
Nilikuwa nataka ule kwanza mpisha hapo kidogo, atuelezee kidogo. Nataka kuja hapo yeye peke yake. Ujifanye ni kama unafanya kazi hapo. Na hiyo ni nini ya kufunga sasa?
Now this one, we are still doing discharging anti-static. You see, I use my hands to touch inside here.
Okay.
So on this trap.
Static charge, what does it do? It can destroy the machine.
Yes, it can destroy the internal parts.
Okay.
The machine.
So what is that? Which machine is that?
This is an iMac. It's a Mac desktop. Yes.
Can you see the other side, the front side?
The front, it's open now. The front side, this is the screen. So this is the front side. So you can, yeah, that's the screen. And then this is a glass on top of the screen.
Yeah.
So when you open it, that's the way the inside looks like. Yeah.
So what is the problem with this machine, for example, right now?
It's not powering on, so we are running a diagnostic on it. We need to test the power supply, and we need to test the hard drive, and we also need to test the board. So
why is the hard drive for this?
The exact problem.
The hard drive is, which one is the hard drive?
The hard drive is here.
Okay.
Yeah. And so with those parts, we have removed the board. This is the board for that machine. And we need to run some diagnostics on it, and then we can be able to know what exactly is the problem.
Make yourself a bit busy hapo. Kama unafungua. Unaweza kuja nyuma tu, hakuna shida. Ani brother naomba anaweza pitia nyuma tu. Sauti hata saa hii si muhimu sana at this moment. So ukifungua lazima uko umejifunga hiyo kitu kwa mkono. Na vile tunatengenezea home na huwa hatujifungi.
Sasa vile tunatengenezea home na mjifungi, inaweza kuwa na create shida yenye haikuwa.
So it is usually powered, this thing.
It is usually powered. You can connect it to power, then it will come on.
Kia Mungu si kompyuta ndani na kwa bure tu. And how long does it take for one to maybe internalize this thing? Which maybe career did you take?
I took information technology course, but then after that, I did a training, Apple training. That course is normally offered online.
Online?
Yes. So we have to.
How much does it cost maybe?
Certification. Then you can qualify. Then we will give you certificates to be able to qualify to do this.
By Apple?
Yes.
How much does it cost, the whole course? For maybe a certificate for starters?
You get the training, and then when you're doing the exams, you pay for exams. Say, we pay around $200.
That is 20,000.
Yes.
So from there we can go to another place. Si hapa si haiwezi kuwa hata wale wachukua tu. Unaweza nini tu kwa busy kidogo. So hapo unaweza tuelezea, endelea tu ukituelezea tu.
Yeah, so now
I'm taking everything itakuwa edited,
Here we have a machine that has dust inside.
Okay.
If you look at the machine from the screen, you will see there is dust inside the screen, and that is what we need now to clean. So how we do this? We need to open the screen.
So that's how it is opened.
Yeah, that is how it's opened. So
Bless you, kuja uone. Ufunguliwe. Usiogope kuja. So this one belongs to a client or?
Yeah, this one belongs to a customer.
Unaweza karibia hapo uone.
Then we have another tool here, which is called the dust removal system. So what we do, we open a page, then we pass this tool here.
Why?
We want now to clean this machine so that we can.
And why the book? Can you use any other book?
This is a tool. No,
it's a tool.
Yeah, it's a special tool. That's the removal system.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we use this. Hold the screen and then pass it. Pass it like this. Yeah. So if you look at the tool, you will see the dust that was collected.
Let me see. Wow.
You can see the dust that has been removed from the screen. So we are done. Then now we make sure it is free from dust. And now we can turn this.
Okay. Asonga huko Melo.
Next, we have our laptop here.
What is the problem with the laptop? Unaweza endelea tu brother.
This laptop, it has a spillage. So we need
Spillage?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Someone poured a drink on it.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Si huwa nasikia kama simu inawekwa mchele ndani inatoa spillage. How true is that? Can that work?
Those who have done it say it works. I've never done it myself, so I can't tell you whether it is it's true or not.
Melo sinishike. Hebu shuka chini. Unaona what I was telling you, hiyo kicheko nahitaji. Sasa unaona nimeipata tu naturally.
Yeah, so we open it from the back. So that we can remove the back cover.
This job does not belong to ladies. How does it make you feel?
Very nice. Yeah.
What about the people, the clients who come here and maybe when ndio umepewa simu? How do they take? How do they appreciate? Maybe do they appreciate, or maybe some of them just mama and maybe think that you're not going to perform well.
Of course, some are surprised, but you see, when you work for a customer, the outcome is what now they get confidence in you after it is done.
Okay.
Yeah. So I use it.
Oh, so.
Yeah, so now we will now come back to this and test a few things here and there.
Sasa ikiwa na spillage unaweza sema tu na Kiswahili, ikiwa na spillage mnaangalia nini?
Ikiwa
ni part gani inaharibika sana sana?
Ikiwa na spillage inaharibu board na pia inaharibu battery.
Hiyo motherboard sasa.
Na keyboard na keyboard.
Okay.
So sasa na hizo sasa ndio vitu zenye tutaangalia tukirudi hapa.
Na mtu akija hapa maybe na kitu kama hii laptop inachukua how long for diagnosis and completion?
Diagnostics we book in for up to 48 hours.
Okay.
But also the time will depend with the problem. Some problems are easily fixed, some others take time. So depending on what the problem is, that is what will determine how much time it will take.
Na hapa hii building yenu mahali mnapatikana inaitwaje?
Inaitwa Bandari Plaza na tuko Meza 91.
Meza 91, yeah. Bandari Plaza.
Bandari Plaza.
Okay.
Yeah. So tutafunga hivyo kwanza. We'll come back to it.
Okay. Songa Melo. Sasa tunakuja kwa sawa tu. Endelea tu. Hiyo ndio nini brother hiyo?
It's a switch.
Oh, ni switch hiyo ndio iko for powering.
Switch for powering.
Si unaweza na hizi mashine za Mac by the way. Ni ukweli kwamba hazifanani ndani na hizi kompyuta nyingine za kawaida za Windows,
Hazifanani na za Windows. Hizo Mac inatengenezwa to last for some time.
Okay.
Like Windows machines.
How would you prefer Mac to Windows?
They are friendly to everything. Like you can use it for a while before it, you say you are disposing it, or you can pass it to another generation. Because another thing is you can also return it to Apple for recycling.
Alafu hii story kwamba simu za Apple, unajua Kenya wase wanaziflash, inasemekana kwamba sijui kuna iCloud, hata ukiiba ni bure. How true is that?
It's very true, because Apple they are the first one when it comes to security reasons. Like when it has an Apple ID on it, like iCloud, you can't say you are flashing it. For security reason, you can't use it unless you are picking it to something else to use it for perhaps. You can't use it to if you are a third person or a second person using it, unless someone removes the credentials to allow you to use it.
Oh, kwa hivyo nikiweka password ni hivyo?
Ni hivyo.
Haiwezi flashiwa tao?
Haiwezi flashiwa.
Lakini wewe unaweza flash kwa sababu ni fundi.
Hapana.
Pia nyinyi hamjajua hivyo?
To flash pia.
Yeah. But is it possible? Is it really possible?
Not really. We haven't got anything like to say it's direct. We haven't get anything.
Na by the way, mtu akileta hapa kama ni trade in, maybe hii ni iPhone 10, sio? Maybe niko na yangu na imekufa screen, I want to trade in. How long does it take? Ni hapo ama itabidi niache ndio mfanye shipping ama what happens?
What we normally do when it comes to trading, because we are selling it to the next person after checking also. We'll have to check it thoroughly, and then from there we give you a value. Within, normally it takes 3 hours to 24 hours, depending with the condition of the phone.
Oh, kwa hivyo lazima ikuje hapo kwanza muifungue, lazima ingie lab kwanza.
Ingie lab kwanza.
Aha.
Yeah.
Sawa, jina?
Ernest.
Ernest, yote?
Kikemoi. Ernest Kikemoi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sawa, endelea na kazi bwana.
Okay.
Sawa. Angalia hapo Melo. Angalia vile ulikuwa umekaa, angalia phone yenye inatengenezwa. Ala, kwani inafinywa haitakufa? So tell us what you're doing.
Hii ni tool inatumika kuinua hii screen. Ndio tuweze kuifungua.
Wow. Kama hii iko na shida.
Hii ni kuweka tu battery.
Oh. Kwani battery yake ni inbuilt?
Battery yake ni inbuilt.
So mtu akinunua hii iPhone na maybe battery imeharibika, lazima ulete hapa ndio.
Sasa lazima ulete hapa.
Kwa hivyo huwezi jiwekea battery, si kama hizi simu za kawaida. Na kuna watu usema tao kwamba ati hizi simu ukibuy iPhone ikiharibika ni hivyo unaitupa. What happens? Kama kuna mtu akona iPhone na imeharibika?
Mtu akiwa na iPhone na imeharibika, unaweza ileta kwetu. Alafu tutaangalia shida na tutaitengeneza. Hizi ni vitu vinafanyika.
Usually how long does it take?
Pia kama hizo zingine venye tu nilikwambia hata hii inalingana na shida. Sasa ukileta inatengenezwa, tunaangalia shida na tunatengeneza.
Ni iPhone tu yoyote?
iPhone yote tunatengeneza.
Na capacity yake ya nini? Capacity ya iPhone ya maybe memory, internal memory kama hii yako iPhone 10 for example. Inakuwa na capacity, storage capacity kama ya 64 GB. Hiyo mtu anaweza jaza kweli?
Italingana na nini unafanya. Sasa hapa tutaifinya na screen irudi.
Haiwezi vunjika?
Sasa unangoja hapo iende hapa 0.
Oh, it is digital.
Yeah, it's digital.
So what is it counting?
Inaifinyilia, inashikilia hiyo screen.
Kwa hivyo ni pressure. Na sasa niulize your husband, if there is, how do you feel akiulizwa, na wife wako anafanya, wife anafanyanga nini? Wife ni fundi. How is that?
Ni kazi.
So you're proud of it?
Yes, I am. Very proud of it.
Okay. Does it pay?
Yes, it does. Hizi unajua vitu za repairs, hizi simu hawezi avoid simu kuanguka.
Yeah.
Na sasa hizo ndio shida zenye tunatatua hapa. Kama sasa ikianguka inaweza vunjika. Sasa ndio.
Is it really necessary kuvaa hiyo kitu hiyo kuzuia static charge? Kama saa hii vile umeshika tu hiyo simu juu, what is it for?
Sawa, juu ni sawa, lakini sasa tunaona kama nilikuwa naweka hiyo battery nimeishika na mkono. So sasa ukiwa na hii tool inazuia sasa huwezi kubadilisha hizo parts za ndani.
Okay. Hello. Sawa sawa, so we are done, eh?
Yeah, we are done.
Oh, sawa, nitahitaji tu twende hivyo. Ni kama unanishow uko around, nichukue video huko. Nataka tu hapa na pale mbele kwa mlango.
Wapi? Hapa.
Hapa tu hivyo tu, unconscious hivyo tu vile anachukua. Nini iko clear? The next thing yenye nitaipata.
Pale kwa display. Kwa display.
Sawa, nitachukua. Hiyo simu juu iko na picha nzuri za kupiga kamera yenyewe. Pale nje kumeandikwa Makenmo. Oh, yeah. I think you are done. Shaking at 25. Kwani Benson huwa anachelewa aje?
Sasa
Mm.